Russia hails victory in Moscow's Red Square during her May Day parade. Above the tomb of Lenin stands Marshal Stalin, taking a salute from a great cavalcade of Soviet military strength. American officers are guests at the ceremony, watching famous Katyusha rocket guns on trucks made in the USA. Overhead in aerial salute fly squadrons of the Red Air Force. Russia's denunciation of her neutrality pact with Japan seems to be reflected on the faces of Japanese military attaches watching honorable parade. The Soviet Union is no longer at war. For just short of 4 years, she grappled with Germany, and today can present this impressive display of power.